Danny Webster here with Pocketnow.com, and today I'm going to show you Handy Assistant. And what this is going to do is going to allow you to change different profiles for different times of the day. So let's say you were in a meeting and your phone starts to ring. Well, it's pretty embarrassing when your phone rings in the meeting and your boss is like, who is that? What is that? So this will allow you to change your profile automatically. So the first thing we're going to go into is actually the profile. And if I was in a meeting, as you can see it says meeting manual, I can change this and activate it. What that's going to do is it's going to change, as you can see, it changed the icon up here to vibrate. So I can go into my settings. So if I want to go, so this allows me to have different people and contact categories. So let's say I wanted my family to be able to get a hold of me if I was in a meeting, so I can change the rules for them, and I can say accept calls and go done. And as you can see, they're under the accept calls thing. So if I wanted to change it for my friends, I can go into menu, change rule, and just say reject calls and send SMS message. And if I wanted to say this one right here, I can select this template that I've already created. So select that, and it will put them in this reject calls and send SMS message. So right there, it was actually a calendar event. So we'll go back to done. And if you see the calendar events, it'll say auto. So I select that because I'm saying that I'm in a movie right now. And if you've ever been in a movie and your phone has gone off, it's pretty embarrassing. So if I select activate, it'll automatically tie in with my calendar. So that's pretty neat. We can also change the sound options. So if I wanted to change the options for this calendar events profile, I can change the ringer down to 0 and put my phone on to vibrate. So that's nice. Click done. And when you're all done with all of your meetings, sleep, work, whatever, you can just click deactivate. But I don't really like this icon right here for roaming, so I'm going to change that. Let's say when I'm roaming, I will want to play tennis or something, who knows. And then it will change the icon. So I can just activate the spare time, which is what I'm on right now, and click OK. Another cool feature about this program is if someone calls you that you don't want to talk to, you can put them in the blacklist, and this will reject all the calls that they've tried to call you from. So I don't really have anyone in there because there's not really anyone I don't want to talk to, but I'll just click OK. You can also look at your call log, and it'll show you all the incoming calls, unknown calls, calls from your contacts, as well as outgoing and missed calls. So click OK. Another cool feature about this program is it will record any call that you're in. So when you dial a call, it'll actually start recording. And you can even hear button clicks and everything. Anything that goes to the microphone, you'll hear recorded. Or anything that comes back through the speaker, you'll hear recorded. So I've got a couple ones here. This is just me calling my voicemail. So if you can hear it, let's see. It's pretty quiet, but that's okay. So we'll just hit stop. And it's pretty nice because it actually automatically records every single phone call that you talk to. And to get it to stop, you have to push don't record when you're on a call. So we'll go into how it looks when you're back to your today screen. And it'll automatically tie in to your actual phone dialers. So if I click dial, it'll show the Handy Assistant dialer right here. And that's neat, and you can also change that in the settings. So if I go back, I can change that under options. Oh, just OK. Go under settings and application settings, and I can use the phone dialer or I can use the program dialer. So I have it set to program dialer right now. You can also change the voice recording area, so wherever you want it to record, it'll select a file where it will record to. So just select cancel. And you can also change your wave rate. So this is Handy Assistant, and it works on any Windows Mobile 5.0, standard or professional. And I'll post a link on Pocketnow.com as to how to get this. The program does cost $29.95, but as useful as it is, and to save you some embarrassment, I think it's well worth it. Thanks for watching.